family. If you made it to this part, thank you, thank you, thank you. I just wanted to get on and share my Frozen inspired holiday table decor. I did a non-traditional Christmas table this year, and to celebrate my grandchildren. And you've probably seen a Frozen table that I did about 2 years ago, and I believe this one outdid the other one. I've been collecting Frozen items for a few years now, and I think it came out absolutely fabulous. So the children will be here Sunday, day after Christmas, and I will be uploading next week to show you some of the little party video that we will be doing. The kids sitting here and enjoying their Christmas break and their meal. You'll see all the kids sitting at the table. It's probably going to be really loud. You may have to mute them and do a voiceover. But I just wanted to say happy holidays from Kel. If it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Y'all stay blessed, be safe, and I will see y'all next week. And thank you for tuning in. If you have not caught my whole this week's series, it's 5 videos dedicated to my grandchildren for this Christmas. And as I always say, child, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. I'll see y'all in another video. Bye-bye.